What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Meal Prep 101, where I show you how to make easy and fast meal preps. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to meal prep with an ingredient that's like very high on P2, vitamin P2. If you don't know what vitamin P2 is, then don't worry about it. I'll explain it later. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share it with your friends. Okay, first thing is first, we're gonna start with some rice. We're gonna use 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna add some chicken broth instead of water. And I'm gonna put some salt. Next, I'm gonna grab my blender. We're gonna add some oatmeal. Add some garlic powder. Add Italian seasoning. Black pepper. And some salt. And we're just gonna blend it. Put this oatmeal on a large plate. Just don't spill. And then on a bowl, crack like 2 or 3 eggs. And then just beat them. Just beat them. Just beat them. Next, you want to grab a griddle, and we're gonna start warming it up. Just don't put it too high because it's gonna get way too hot. Here I have 3 to 4 tilapia fillets. This is gonna be for 2 meals, so it depends how much you eat. You either want to get 3 or 4. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna bread the tilapia with the eggs and the oatmeal. We're gonna put some oil in the griddle, and we're gonna throw the tilapia in there. So now we're gonna bread some chicken thigh. I have 4 pieces of chicken thigh. So again, this is for another 2 meals, so it depends how much you eat. You either wanna go with like maybe between 3 to 5 or even more if you want to. Okay, now that the chicken and the tilapia is cooking, we're gonna cut an onion, chop it into little pieces. Okay, after you're done crying from chopping that onion, you can grab a big pan and preheat it at medium. Also check on your breaded chicken and the breaded tilapia, don't forget about it. We're gonna put some olive oil, throw the onion in there, and just cook it until it's golden brown. Now that my onion is golden brown, I'm gonna throw some ground turkey. This is a 1.7 pound bag. We're gonna put some salt, add some pepper, and add some garlic powder. After that, we're just gonna mix it and cook the turkey. While the turkey is cooking on medium heat, I'm gonna chop red pepper. Alright, now that the turkey is almost, or it's close to being done, I'm gonna add the red peppers. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna add to the ground turkey is what I like to call vitamin P2. So what is vitamin P2? Vitamin P2 is actually beans. It's actually just a joke. If you speak Spanish, hopefully you get this, but try to say vitamin or try to say P2 in Spanish and hopefully you'll get it. If you don't speak Spanish, then ask someone else that speaks Spanish. So the ground turkey is pretty much done. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of this pasta sauce or just a tomato sauce. All right, and there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos. So now you know what to eat for the next week. Please like this video, share with your friends, and thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.